Every summer, I get the same panicked calls. My HVAC's leaking water. Am I about to flood my house? Here's the truth, in 90% of those cases, it's not a catastrophic failure. It's one of 5 simple things most homeowners miss. If you've ever walked into a puddle under your AC unit and thought, that can't be good, stick around, because I'm going to show you how to fix it before it turns into a $1,000 mistake. Last July, I visited a home where the homeowner had been mopping up water for 3 weeks. He thought it was condensation. It wasn't. The leak was creeping down into the ceiling. When we finally opened it up, mold had already started forming. He looked at me and said, if I'd just known what to check first. That's exactly why I'm making this video, so you don't end up with the same nightmare. The number 1 culprit? A clogged condensate drain line. Every time your AC runs, it pulls moisture from the air that water needs to drain out. But dust, mold, or even a stray bug can block it. Here's how to fix it. Turn off your unit. Find the white PVC drain line, usually near the indoor unit. Open the cap and pour in a cup of vinegar or warm water. If it backs up or overflows, bingo, you found your leak source. If the drain line's clear, move your flashlight under the evaporator coil. See that metal tray? That's your drain pan. If you spot rust or tiny cracks, that's where your water's escaping. Temporary fix? You can use epoxy putty to seal it for now. But long term, that pan needs replacing. Don't wait, a rusted pan only gets worse. Now, this one surprises people. A dirty air filter can cause water leaks. When airflow's blocked, the coil freezes. Then, when it melts, boom, mini indoor waterfall. If your filter looks grey or dusty, replace it. Bonus, clean airflow saves energy, too. If your HVAC is blowing warm air and you notice ice on the coils, you might be low on refrigerant. This is where DIY ends. Call a technician. Refrigerant leaks not only cause water issues but can damage your compressor. Still, knowing this helps you explain symptoms clearly to your tech and saves you time and money. Sometimes, it's not age or neglect, it's just bad installation. Improperly insulated lines can cause condensation to form on the outside of the ducts, dripping like a slow leak. If you see water collecting on the insulation instead of the drain pan, it's time to rewrap those lines with proper HVAC insulation foam. So if you've been keeping track, you might have pieced this puzzle together. Every single cause, from clogged drains to low refrigerant, ties back to one thing: water has to go somewhere. When it can't flow freely, it flows where it shouldn't. And now you know exactly how to stop it. If this helped you catch your leak early, drop a thumbs up sign so others can find it too. And if you want more smart home maintenance guides, not lectures, hit subscribe. I'll see you next week when we cover why your HVAC smells weird when it kicks on. You don't want to miss that one.